Long time no see. Your favorite Korean egg makeup is here. If we have this kind of makeup, I will be it. Inspired by Love and Me because most of his makeup is, this is a very fresh and clear sense of natural life. I think it is very suitable for spring now, and there are daily flowers. I still apply the old rules first. A noodle. I'm just looking forward to wearing this makeup myself. It feels very artistic. The weather has been picking recently. This next week is about to rain for a whole week. I'm really sad, but use this free. Gently wipe the sheet to clean it. Like a favorite base makeup, it's so thin. The ultimate kind. I feel like I can see the little fluff on my face with the lens to the mirror. And then I want to put on some blush first. I chose a pink one because I am wearing clothes today. The clothes are light blue and match with pink. I think it is very beautiful. I feel it in the face. After you feel that the base makeup is clean, you can apply blush, and it will look better just with us. Let's make the nose a little smaller. These two places in the human body also need to be deepened, as well as the three on the lower lip. Take it diagonally to the eye socket. Open the eyes, it will be more three-dimensional, and there is also the end of the eye. It should be some, and is still repaired, and then the face is repaired. I will be a little bit more interested, and there is no need to say that it is heavy. This makeup is better than, if it is a little fuller, pat it open first, comb it from the root, and we will live with a long brush slowly and slowly. Take the bridge of the nose out. Give it a smudge on the thinner end and ask for a puff to tidy it up again. I'll drip the leftover powder. That's it. Use eyebrow powder to draw the color and follow my eyebrow shape. I found that my eyebrows are a little different on both sides. If you draw your eyebrows high, you will... I feel very uncomfortable and then use an eyebrow pencil to trace this eyebrow shape. Finer eyebrow tail loss. I dragged out a little eyebrow cream and we used a dark brown. Color. Go to the bristle flow, don't brush it on the skin. Let it have this kind of eye. For the shadow, I chose this pink-brown plate to color the face with my fingernails first. Then use this. Color after the entire fold belt. End of eye. Deepen the belt from bottom to top, mainly to emphasize the structure of the lower eye. Our next, pull one up and dip it in this color and trace it. Draw eyeshadow in the eyeshadow shadow color roughly here. I don't think it's very red. I'll use this again. 2 colors to deepen it. Then I think it's this eye makeup. The key is to use 1. Brown glue pen, put this eye. The shape of the skin can be drawn more smoothly. You can see that it feels a little swollen now, and it's not very fascinating. Just slow. Slow to fill, I want my eyes to be rounder. If it is the widest, it is still the middle part of the eyeball. Take a look, and you'll see that there's still a little color missing here. And then we can dip this with a small brush. You can use a darker color or a darker one. This inner eye. The line makes it smudge softer. After seeing that the eyeliner is smoother, we will paste false eyelashes. In fact, this is the case. And/or. The straighter and clearer one, I used this false eyelashes to clip it a little bit to draw the eyes. The line is still black eyeshadow, straight from the end of the eye. Slide the little tail finger and then come and light up this aegyo part. We can to brush this eyelash a little more root and thicker. Very good, just a small eye makeup. After the eye makeup is painted, let's set the makeup a little bit or hit it twice, deepen it, and narrow the nose part of the facelift. This end is mainly to deepen this performance point. And this bridge of the nose with a little bit, and then by this highlight point on the face. A little bit here on the nose, a little bit thinner on the bridge of the nose. Then let's superimpose this blush on the whole. The powder is going to come out. As usual, grind this lip shape. Yes, brother, compare fans. I would like to add a little more for the brighter lipstick. This red pink is for you to throw away. I said that if the painting is finished, it may be revised again. When I was a child, I planned to shoot it together like this, sister. Girls can also refer to it. Almost. Forget this mole, I still prefer to deepen it first to feel the makeup. I feel more breathable when I face it. Am I going to? Replace the eyeballs with that pure black sense of me. There will be a sense of purity. A little. Keep my when I take you out.